How to turn off this green light on iPhone on iOS 26. So if eventually you see this green light on your iPhone and you don't know what is happening, it's very simple. Swipe down from the control center here. You see this button, tap on it. Now you see what is using your camera. Here the camera button is active and that is why you see the green button. Now to fix this is very simple. Just swipe like this, then remove this camera button from it or any other thing. Now that you've done that, the next thing you have to do is to come to the settings and tap on it. Once tap on the settings, then scroll down to this button that says privacy and security. Tap on it. So under privacy and security, then scroll down until you get to camera. Tap on it. So under camera, you have to see any of these app here that is using your camera that you don't trust. Just try as much as can, guys, to tap on it to close the access to that camera. So that's all, guys. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.